Hey guys! Today, I want to chat about something that's been a game changer for me, creatine. Now, if you're a bloke over 40 like me, you might be wondering if creatine is still worth it. Well, let me tell you, it absolutely is. First off, creatine is not just for the young guns at the gym. Us seasoned fellas can benefit big time too. One of the main perks is increased muscle mass and strength. As we age, our muscle mass tends to decline, but creatine can help slow down this process and even boost our strength for those tough workouts. But wait, there's more. Creatine also supports brain health. Yep, you heard that right. It can enhance cognitive function, memory, and overall brain performance. So, if you're looking to stay sharp and focused as you age, creatine could be your secret weapon. Now, let's talk about energy levels. I don't know about you, but sometimes I feel like I could use an extra kick to get through the day. Creatine can help with that too. By increasing ATP production in your body, creatine gives you that extra oomph to power through your workouts or daily tasks without feeling drained. And here's a bonus, creatine may also have some heart-healthy benefits. Studies suggest that it could lower blood pressure and improve overall cardiovascular health, which is crucial as we get older and want to keep our ticker in top shape. So, there you have it, guys. Creatine isn't just for the young guns. It's a valuable supplement for us men over 40 looking to maintain muscle mass, boost brain function, increase energy levels, and even support heart health. Give it a go and see the difference it can make in your life. Cheers to staying strong and healthy.